In this video, I will show you how to produce a sound on the trombone. Everything that comes out of the trombone starts with your lips. So take a big breath and then you buzz your lips. Be careful not to puff your cheeks because you want it to be nice and controlled. And if you need any help of wondering how the lips should be, just think about if you say the word tip. When on that P, that's where your lips are together and that's where the buzz should start. So think tip. That's the buzz. That goes into the mouthpiece and then gets amplified throughout the trombone. If you relax your lips, you will get a lower frequency, which means that you're going to get a lower note. Now, if you tighten your lips even more, you get a higher frequency, and that's where you get the higher pitches. So as you can see, you can get a lot of different notes just in each position. Now the trombone has 7 different positions to choose from: 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th. So there's a lot of different notes that you can play.